What is up guys, Tane this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to save your Word files to your local PC instead of saving it on OneDrive. So let's get started. And today's video is for anyone who's tired of Word always asking to save files to OneDrive. Maybe you just want your documents saved directly on your computer where you can find them without internet or login issues. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save your Word files to your local PC step by step. If you are a beginner, don't worry, this is going to be super duper simple. So let's get started with some introduction of Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word is one of the most popular tools for writing, from school projects to resumes, letters, reports, and more. It saves your files either to OneDrive, which is Microsoft's cloud storage, or to your local PC storage like your documents, folder, or desktop. Now, I will tell you some advantages of why save to local PC instead of OneDrive. First one is offline access. You don't need internet to open your files. The second one is faster saving. No upload time is required. The third is more privacy. Your files stay on your computer, not in the cloud. And fourth, it is easier to organize. You can place them in folders the way you want. And now let's see how to actually do it. So first off, head over to your search bar at the bottom and then search for Word application. And after searching, simply click on your Word application to open your Word application. And now, after opening your Word application, you will see the option to create a new file. Click on this, and after that, you will be welcome to this type of dashboard of creating a new Word document. So from here, you can write your content as per your wish, and when you are done and when it's time to save, on the left side click on file and then click on save as. After clicking on save as, you will see two options. The first one is your OneDrive personal, where we don't want to save our Word files. So just simply click on add a place, and from here you can add a place. So if you can't find this PC or your PC here in the other locations, what you can do is go to the options at the left side on the bottom. When you click on options, a pop-up window will appear, and then on the left side, click on the save section. And after clicking on the save section, click on save to computer by default. Make sure this checkbox is checked, and this will tell you where your files will be saved on your local computer. You can even browse and change that if you want. Just simply check this checkbox and make sure that this is checked. And when you're done, click OK. And after that, when you will go to save as, here in the other locations, you will see it by just restarting your PC, or when you save your document, you will see multiple types of options from where you can just simply choose the local PC, and after that you will be able to save your files to local PC. So this is how you can save your Word documents to your local PC instead of OneDrive. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.